Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making Kung Pao. Very easy to make and tastes delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have to add some salt and some boneless chicken breast, soy sauce, some black pepper according to the taste, some corn flour, all-purpose flour. Now mix it all well and keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. Let's heat up a pan and put some oil in it to fry the chicken. It's very necessary to check if the oil is hot or not before frying it. I guess the oil is pretty hot. Now let's fry our chicken. You have to fry the chicken until golden brown on both the sides. I guess our chicken is ready. Now let's take it out. So for sauce we need some red chili, dried red chili, some peanuts, some onions, corn flour, soy sauce, red chili sauce, ginger, spring onions, garlic, some honey, you can use sugar also, and some salt. Now let's heat our pan with some oil in it. Let's add some onions, fry it until golden brown. Let's add some red chili, dried red chili, chopped ginger and garlic. Mix it all well. Fry it until golden brown. Let's add some soy sauce, red chili sauce, honey, some peanuts, spring onions, now let's add the mixture of corn flour and water to thicken the sauce, chicken stock. You have to cook it for a while so that the sauce gets thicker. I think the sauce is ready now, so let's add some salt in it. And add our chicken. Mix it all very well so that the chicken is coated in the sauce. So yeah, here's our dish. It's ready. Now it's time for plating. Wow, look at it, guys. It smells amazing. So here it is, Kung Pao, easy and delicious.